Hi, I'm Lisa, the clinic lead from the Therapy and Fitness Centre on Warwick Street.
And my name's Carl, I'm the Senior Sports Therapist here at the Centre on Warwick Street as well. Today we're going to give you a few tips to help you prepare for the upcoming Regency 10K event. Here's our first tip. Make sure you remain reasonably active the day before, but make sure you don't overdo it. So you don't want to be doing any long runs or anything like that that could overwork your body and your heart rate. Make sure that you keep nice and sedate, but also keep yourself active. Don't change your food intake or the types of foods that you're eating. You certainly don't want to have a full stomach or carb overload, so you don't want to be going too high on the carbs. If you do have any muscular twinges, we offer a £5 taping session, which is a donation, but you can come in and we'll tape you to make sure that you're prepared for the event.
The night before, prepare your kit. So put all of your clothing out. If it's a cold start, remember to put your gloves out and an outer layer. Prepare your running shoes, your safety pins and your race number, and any Haribos or gels if you prefer gels. Remember to set your alarm early so you're leaving in plenty of time.
Okay, so now we've got to the actual morning of the event, so you need to make sure you stick to your normal routine. In other words, if you have a light breakfast to prepare yourself, make sure that you stick with that so that you're, again, not overeating, but your usual little light breakfast to prepare you for your run. Similarly, on the other hand, if you don't eat and you like to run on an empty stomach, make sure that you stick to that as well.
When you arrive, remain mindful of your goal. Remember to breathe deeply and chat to other runners around you. Find your pace zone, and then once you start, remember to pace yourself. At the Regency 10K, there's a bit of a long, steep hill at the beginning. Enjoy the atmosphere throughout the run and enjoy your day.
Okay, so now we're on to the recovery phase. Make sure on the day that you come and see us for a post-event treatment, and also don't forget to book in a post-event massage and yoga sessions within 24 to 48 hours here at the session. This will do wonders for your recovery, help get your flexibility and ease any muscular tensions that you might have from the event itself.
So, thank you for supporting this year's Regency 10K and all of the charities that will be benefiting. I'm Lisa from the Therapy and Fitness Centre.
And I'm Carl from the Therapy and Fitness Centre. Go out there, have fun, we hope you enjoy it and we hope you're well prepared.